And now let's look at the vital work skills that you will need for the future. The World Economic Forum, which is the group of leading economies and leading industrial leaders, has done a great deal of research and produces a jobs report every couple of years. The latest report from 2018 came up with a list of the key attributes people would need as they move into work in the late 2020s, 2030s. They monitor the demand for skills from employers required in the near future. And there seems to be a major shift away from technical skills, with AI replacing those types of jobs. For example, it's not just processing type jobs in factories. It is also administration type jobs. It is increasingly professional type jobs such as lawyers and accountants that are going to be under threat. Even if AI doesn't take over the whole of their job, they'll be taking away substantial parts of that job, which will put pressures on employers to employ less people. The real growth in demand is for human skills, things like creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, complex problem solving, and underpinning all of that, a great deal of digital understanding and skill to convert existing processes into online processes. So to summarize the qualifications versus skills debate, it's important to understand that the reliance on qualifications alone is not enough to guarantee you success in the future. Skills and experience, which will often help you develop those skills, is going to be vital. To stand out from the crowd, you need to be able to prove who you are, to prove what you can do, and to prove that you will be valuable to the organisations that you join. And a great deal of that will be the ability to have a skill set rather than just a set of qualifications.